Hey everyone, welcome back to Boy Tutorials. If you're looking to make some extra cash online with no fancy skills required, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a super beginner-friendly guide on how to earn money by training AI tools. These are simple tasks anyone can do, and we'll walk you through the top platforms step by step to get started. Plus, we'll share a bonus tool to make your work even easier. Let's jump in. What is AI training and why it's great for beginners? First, let's talk about what AI training is. Companies are building AI tools like chatbots or image recognition systems, and they need real people to check and improve their responses. Think of it like being a teacher for AI. You don't need to be a tech expert. Many tasks are as simple as reading a response, rating it, or rewriting it to sound better. This is a fantastic side hustle because you can work from anywhere. You choose your hours. No advanced skills are needed for many tasks. Now let's explore 4 platforms where you can start earning money with AI training. Our first platform is called Mindrift. This is a great place to start because they offer tasks for all skill levels, from beginners to experts. Here's how to get started with Mindrift. Visit Mindrift's website. Just search for Mindrift AI or head to their official site. Click Apply Now to see available projects. You'll find tasks like writing feedback, coding, or even checking AI responses in your native language, like Portuguese or Spanish. Choose a project that matches your skills or interests. For example, if you're good at writing, pick the Writer section where you teach AI to write better. Fill out the application. Add your basic info. Upload a resume if you have one, and include your LinkedIn or personal website if you want to stand out. Take the project test. Each project has a short test to make sure you understand the task. Don't worry, Mindrift provides guidelines and tutors to help you. Start working. Once approved, you'll get tasks, complete them, and get paid twice a month through Payoneer or Papara. They're working on adding PayPal soon, so stay tuned. If you're new, start with the writer tasks. All you need is good English, and you'll be guiding AI to create better text. Easy peasy. Next up is Outlier, another awesome platform for AI training. Outlier recently merged with Remote Tasks, so you might hear both names, but they work similarly. Here's how to get started. Go to Outlier's website. Search for Outlier AI to find it. Create an account. Use a different email for Outlier and Remote Tasks if you want to work on both platforms for more opportunities. Explore task categories. You'll see options like math, chemistry, coding, or general tasks like rating AI responses. There are also language-specific tasks like Bulgarian or Spanish. Pick a task and apply. You'll need to complete a quick test to qualify. Complete tasks and get paid. Outlier pays via PayPal or RTM, and the more tasks you do well, the more they'll send your way. Tasks on Outlier include rating AI responses, rewriting content, or working with images and videos. If you enjoy variety, this is a great choice. Our third platform is ClickWorker, one of the oldest and most trusted platforms for online tasks. They've recently added tons of AI training tasks. Here's how to join. Visit ClickWorker's website. Just search for ClickWorker. Sign up for an account. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Check out their AI training tasks. Some fun ones include training eye tracking tools where you move your eyes across a screen, or facial recognition systems. Follow their training. ClickWorker provides clear instructions to help you get started. Complete tasks and earn money. Payments are made via PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your location. The eye tracking tasks are super easy and kind of fun. Just follow objects on your screen. Finally, we have Toloka, a popular platform known for higher paying tasks. Here's how to start. Search for Toloka AI and go to their website. Create an account, it's quick and free. Browse available tasks. Toloka offers tasks like evaluating AI models, taking photos, or recording short videos. Tasks depend on your region and the demand from companies. Complete the training for each task. Toloka guides you through what to do. Submit tasks and get paid via Payoneer or Papara. Toloka has fewer tasks than the others, but they often pay more, especially if you have specific expertise. Here's a bonus tip to make your AI training work even better. Use Perplexity. Perplexity is a free AI-powered search engine that's perfect for double-checking your work. For example, if you're unsure whether an AI response is accurate, just type your question into Perplexity. It'll give you clear answers, sources, and even images or videos to back it up. It's like having a super smart assistant by your side. Search for Perplexity AI to try it out. Tips for success. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick tips to maximize your earnings. Start small. Pick beginner-friendly tasks like rating responses or writing feedback to build confidence. Be consistent. The more tasks you complete, the more opportunities you'll get. Check platforms regularly. New tasks pop up all the time, so log in often to grab the best ones, and that's it. You now know how to start earning money online by training AI with Mindrift, Outlier, ClickWorker, and Toloka. These platforms are perfect for beginners, and with a little practice, you can turn your free time into extra cash. So, what are you waiting for? Pick one platform, sign up today, and take your first step toward a flexible side hustle. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and let us know in the comments which platform you're trying first. See you in the next video.